AITA for shooting my neighbor's dog just because he took my ball. So the thing is that last month, me and my friends were playing football, and accidentally, the ball went from my backyard to my neighbor's backyard. He never returned the ball even when we begged for it. So, since last 5 days, they were going to some another country. Their house was empty, except the dog. We got to know about this fact, so we decided to take revenge. One of the duplicates of their house's key was in my house. They kept it here just because of emergency cases. I took it and, with my brother, went inside their house and quietly shot his dog. My gun didn't make a lot of noise because of the suppressor. After that, we came back to my house and slept. They are still out vacationing for Christmas. Please tell me if I am an asshole or not.